Hi. Alright, so in this training I'm going to show you how to install Scratch into your computer. Alright, so in order to do that, let's dive straight away to the web browser. Install Scratch. You need to open your web browser. So I'm going to open my web browser now. Alright, so my web browser is open. So all you need to do is to go to this website, https://scratch.mit.edu/download. So when you do that, you take you to this page. So when you're on this page, if you're using a Windows, you take you to this page. If you're using a Mac OS, you take you to this page. So to get to Mac OS, you can just click on the download button here, and you download on your PC directly. Alternatively, if you're using a Windows operating system, also if you're using Windows operating system, you just click on this download, and it will download for you straight away to your computer. So do ensure that you have good internet access connected to your computer. So once the download is done, you will see it in your download folder. That's this, my download folder here. So the first thing you need to do is to open it. So you double click on it, double left click on it, double left click, not right click. Double left click on it. It's going to open this file. Go to set it uploading. So once it's done, the installation process will begin. And in order to begin, you will see only for you or other users. So you can click on only for you. It doesn't really matter. So the installation will start. So that the installation process is very simple. It's not so difficult. So once the installation process is complete, you can just uncheck this box or you can leave it, and you open your Scratch. To click on this box is checked, it's going to open the Scratch immediately. So once it's done, you see your Scratch IDE. That's the Scratch interface loading up for you. So just be patient and it's going to open. So this is the Scratch loading now. So that's it. You have your Scratch successfully installed on your computer. So being the first time, it may take a while and depending on your computer's processor. So do not be alarmed. Yeah. So that's it. So that's that for that. See you guys next time.